Welcome back to ShopTalk. This week we're discussing personalizing the customer experience. In today's competitive automotive industry, personalization is the key to winning customer loyalty and driving business growth. As auto shops strive to deliver exceptional service and build lasting relationships with customers, the concept of personalizing the customer journey has emerged as a powerful strategy. Leveraging advanced customer relationship management systems, auto shops can now delve deep into customer data, crafting tailored experiences that resonate with individual preferences and needs. In today's video, we will explore 3 powerful strategies using CRM for your repair shop, designed to personalize your customer's experience and foster unwavering loyalty. Detailed customer profiles. A CRM system compiles comprehensive customer profiles, including contact details, vehicle information, service history, and preferences. This data serves as a treasure trove for delivering personalized experiences. Targeted marketing campaigns. Create targeted marketing campaigns based on customer profiles. For instance, if a customer frequently opts for a specific service, a CRM system can trigger promotions related to that service, increasing the likelihood of engagement. Appointment reminders and scheduling. Personalizing interactions also extends to appointment scheduling. CRM systems can send personalized reminders, including specific details about the upcoming service and any additional recommendations based on the customer's vehicle history. In conclusion, personalizing the customer journey is not just a trend, but a necessity in the modern automotive landscape. By leveraging the capabilities of CRM systems, auto shops can unlock new levels of customer engagement, satisfaction, and loyalty. The journey towards personalization is one that leads to enhanced customer experiences, stronger relationships, and sustainable business growth. Embracing personalization isn't just about meeting customer expectations. It's about exceeding them and setting new standards for excellence in the automotive service industry. Want more Shop Talk? Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as well as follow our other social media platforms for more free content to help your shop reach its greatest potential.